Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make your own origami rabbit. For this project, you can use any square sheet of origami, but in this video, we'll be using a 6x6 inch. Want to build it? Let's get started. Alright, start off by folding in half diagonally. Make sure to make nice folds. Fold. And then unfold. So you have a line down the middle. And then you're just going to fold this to here. Just like this. You just want to fold. Unfold. Do the same thing on the other side. You're going to fold sharply. Then fold this back down. Now you should have this right here. Now that you have this, you want to fold this down to the middle. Make sure it lines up with the middle line. Fold. Now you're just going to fold this up to the middle line. And then you're going to unfold. And then you're going to fold it up one more time. And then you're going to fold this line to the edge right there. You're going to fold. And then keep it here. You're going to flip it over. And you're just going to fold the tip up to the top. Right about here. Fold. Now it should look like this right here. Now that you have this, you just want to fold it in half. Just like this. Fold. And then, this is the body. This will be the feet right here. Then for the ears, you're just going to grab this and pull it up until you think it's right. Right there. Looks pretty good. Fold. Now you should have this right here. Now, you see the ears right here? You're just going to cut down the middle line right here. And now, you just want to open it up. And you're just going to squash it down. And then just squash it. And then you just want to unfold so it looks like this. And the ear's a bit open, just like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you should have this right here. Now for the last part, you're just going to fold this up. Make sure that starts off there and fold here. Turn it around and just fold. To get it correct, the exact same on the other side, just fold it onto that line right there. Fold. And then all you have to do is draw eyes right here and you're done.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos. And we'll see you next time.